Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Fallon here. Today I have a super awesome video for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating how to tie African hair ties. I got these hair ties from an online store called NAC Fashions International. They reached out to me. I'll definitely link their Instagram and email and contact information down below should you guys want to purchase some headbands or head wraps. For this video, I was sent two 4 inches by 3 feet long cloth head scarves, this one and the one that's in my head, and two 3 feet 6 inches by 3 feet 10 inch big hair ties that you would use to do a turban wrap. First, I'm going to demonstrate how I tie my head wraps, scarf thingies. So for this style, it was super easy. I just have my hair on. If you guys want to know what kind of hair this is, drop a little comment. I'll hook you up. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing. So I grab it by its length, like so, and I put it in front of my head. There's multiple ways to do this. And wrap it behind my ears. I do not leave my edges. I just wrap it around. Next, I just take my 2 pieces and I just pick them up and tie them right at the top of my head. And you would edit that how you would like. But I like it like this. It's cute because I get my hair out my face. It's a cute little updo, and I get my mock bunny ears, which is really awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Another way to do it would be to just tie it like so and let the 2 back pieces hang. You could also tie it as a bow in the back of your head, or you could leave them behind you. And another super cute way that I like to wear this, I'll demonstrate with this one, is to bring it at the back of your head, right at the nape of your neck. Wrap it along the front. One tie, adjust it to your liking, and from here you can either tie it in a knot and then wrap the remaining pieces behind you. How cute is that? Or you could tie it in a cute little bow. So I would tuck the excess thread into the band and do the same for the other side. I would wrap it underneath the bow instead of behind so it lays flat. And adjust to my liking. This is so cute. And I would do this on those mornings like today where I don't feel like laying my edges or doing anything extra to my hair besides just letting it be. Really cute. How cute is this African print? We're gonna take our big square and put 2, okay. So if this is your square, right? You're going to fold it diagonally, make it into a triangle, like so. And with this triangle, you're going to throw your hair forward and place the base of the triangle. So the pointy side facing you, like so. You're gonna hold it like so. Place it over your head. Make sure all of your hair is brushed forward, brushed forward. You grab like so. So you grab this one, you pull it down below, you tie it. There we go. You're gonna pull. So the key to this, right, is to wrap the pointy part that you kept in the back, pull it all the way forward, and lay it back, and take the 2 pieces that you were initially tying, tie on top of that. And tie it again. And then you just tuck the extra pieces under the knot that you just created. And then your hair, I would just tuck it with a bobby pin and pin it back, like so, and boom. How cute is that? The cutest. So for this, you would also start the scarf in a triangle. Pointy side to the back, 2 other points on your sides, and you take it, your 2 parts, you gather it, and you tie it behind you, underneath your ponytail, and pull. As tight as you can. This is what you should look like. Okay? Next, you're going to wrap these individual threads. Just twirl them so they're nice and pretty. Leave this one in the back for later. But the 2, okay, you know what? We're going to tie it all together. Twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. Then you wrap right on top of your ponytail. 1. The other side right on top of your ponytail. 2. And you pull and tighten, and you tie it in a knot. Boom. And this is super cute. Look at that. Okay, how you're gonna get this style is by pulling all of your hair into a ponytail at the top of your head. Okay. You're going to make it into a very tight bun and secure it with a rubber band. I don't have one right now. You would have all your hair up, right? Then you would take your scarf in a triangle again and place it at the back of your head, like so. And tie it again, but instead of in the first video how we had it this included, we're going to leave it out. We'll tie this right in front of us. So for this style, you can either let your hair out like so and tuck the back part in and tie it like this. Or you can bring this over your bun and tie these 2 pieces on top. And make sure you pull this back piece. And just keep pulling and securing until everything is tightened. Okay, and you're gonna have 3 threads. From here, we are going to make a knot. And this knot will be formed by twisting the 3 individual straps that we have around each other. So the first one, I just wrap in a circle and I tuck into the base of that swirl. The next one, I'll go in the opposite direction. So this one I went this way, this one I'm gonna go this way. So twist, 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 and secure. And the last one is going to go in the same direction as the first one until I reach my desired look. Another super cute way that you can wear the band would be to put your hair up into a ponytail. Bring the band behind you at the base of your neck while your hair is in a ponytail and just tie it in the front. And this is a super cute and easy way to keep your hair out of your face very fashionably. And you can either tie it in a bow at the front, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to bring this to the back of my head, tie it, and then tuck it into itself. Very poetic justice-y, but without the braids.
How cute.
Also, if you have cornrows or your hair is braided, you can still do these styles. So I just took my hair off and I put on a do-rag, and I'm gonna recreate these looks again, with the two large headbands to show you what they look like if your hair was shorter. We're gonna start with your hair tied back and the triangle again. You're gonna push your head down, same old, tie it, the two in front of you, pull the front to secure it. You're gonna roll the three into a bun. So the first one is going to this direction, and I like to go in opposite directions because it gives more fullness to the bun. What is this, a do-rag piece? I'm just gonna tuck that and hold it. Sometimes it won't stay, sometimes it will. If not, you just use the next piece to wrap it. Here we go. And I just literally wrap it right underneath. And this is what it would look like if you had shorter hair. Very cute, sleek, beautiful. So this time, the base of your triangle will be at your front, the pointy end will be facing behind you, and you just throw that thing over there. And you tie it in a knot behind you. Here we go. Just tie it and adjust. I like to use all three individual straps because for me that gives it the most fullness when you don't have like hair underneath. When you individually tie them, it adds more fullness as opposed to just wrapping all three of them together and tying them. And that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave my Instagram right below. And I'll be sure to link NAC Fashions in the description bar as well. You can find everything on their Instagram, which I'll list below. And an email that you can use to contact them so you can order these as well. They're so cute. Oh, and this is my outfit for today. I have on a very white, this is how I'm wearing my hair. I have on a white tee, gold chain, and some high-waisted denim pants. Very cute, very simple, and very cozy. I hope you guys have an amazing day, amazing week, an amazing month, amazing rest of your life. I wish you nothing but love and positivity. I love you.